I'm a potato.
I'm gonna lead it right into my next rant with local news.
Okay.
So if you guys don't know, Missouri was St. Louis is one of the areas where the union started. Like we have Union 1.
Oh, the union thing. Yeah.
Yeah, like we are Union 1. And you know, when I talk to other people, like I'm in the restoration business. I'm in and around different contractors all the time. And they give union workers a lot of hate. They're like, fuck union workers. You know what I mean? But I'm like, do you really see like why they exist? Like understanding your rights, like a break, being able to have a paid lunch break, for example.
Mhm.
I don't know if it, I can't be able to tell you off the top of my head. If I think here in Missouri they do have a paid. They have to at least give you a 30-minute lunch break by law.
Mhm. That's a federal
That's a
law, if I
federal
remember
thing,
right.
but whether it's paid or not, I think is depending on the area you live on. I know at my last job, it was a paid break. We got paid for that 30 minutes. My job here, it's an unpaid break. Though we do have two 15-minute breaks in addition to that, that is a paid break, and those are optional. But what is, having standards in work practice is why unions are important, because
Very
they
much
help
so.
fight to go on these things. They actually take action and stand up against their employer or their organization or their contractor and be like, no, you have to pay me a fair wage. At my job, it's a known thing. Nobody talks about their wage. In fact, my boss even said, don't talk about what I'm paying you, which is illegal, by the way.
Yep.
That's a red flag.
That's illegal. And they advise everybody, don't talk about your wage. Which is it's just it's a thing. So here's what Missouri just passed. Sick leave. No such thing anymore. Paid sick leave. They no longer, a company can keep it if they want to, but they do not have to they are not mandated to pay you sick leave. So if you are in the hospital with a life-threatening injury or what have you,
You can lose your job.
they don't have to pay you. You'll be unpaid for that period of time unless you have, you could get insurance and like life insurance, temporary disability insurance through your work or through wherever. But
Right.
if you don't have that, you're screwed. You're absolutely screwed. I'm like, all right, so they're slowly taking away rights.
Yep.
Each state has its own thing, and this all stems in everything that I was saying, even with the child laws. Like, yes, they might win in one area, but they fall back on another.